Hey guys, and welcome back to Illy's Beauty Box. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. And I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, but I actually needed to take a break, hit a little reset button, and take care of a lot of personal issues. My middle daughter, Reana, left to the army, so there anyone out there who has children or loved ones in the service, please give me a thumbs up for that one. If you're new, hi, my name is Ileana, and you can call me Illy for short. And I'm going to be doing unboxing of my Lancome Gratis, and I'm also going to be showing you purchases that I took advantage of with the Sephora sale. And that is it. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. I do have a lot of things, and it's been a minute. So if you guys want to know other things, what I've been up to, leave a comment down below and I will share that with you. I do have tons of videos to put out there. So with that being said, grab a snack, get something to eat, and let's chillax together. Bye. Do you got that snack? I hope you have that snack because we're going to be here for a minute. Alright, so we're going to begin with Sephora. And I kind of like already broke the box. I cheated a little bit. So, setting powder. I had to take of course, take advantage of the sale. So I purchased the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I love this powder. This powder, for some reason, it goes in very nicely on my skin. It doesn't give me like, it doesn't emphasize texture on my skin, so that's why I took advantage and purchased this good old baby. And of course, I want to start concentrating a little bit more on freelancing. Unfortunately, I did have to take a break from working at Lancome. It hurt me so much to part away from them, but healthy wise, my neck is not healing, and that's why I needed to take a break. Alright, moving forward, I did also get the Cils Booster. This is also by Lancome. Unfortunately, I do love a lot of products from Lancome. Working there has opened up my eyes. I've always found that Lancome was a luxury brand, and working there and learning the product and learning a little bit more about them, I actually love a lot of their products. So the item that I'm talking about is the primer, the Cils Booster primer. If you match this up, this is a primer. If you pair this with any of your mascara, it could be a Lancome mascara, it could be a cheap mascara. You put this on and then you put your mascara, your lashes are going to be so long. And this actually helps a lot of patients that have undergone chemo and have lost their hair, like their eyebrows. This is a good conditioner and it will promote growth. So try it. And the trick to using this is you have to do one eye at a time. So what I recommend is to prime your eyelash first and then immediately go right over with your mascara. So it's going to be Cils Booster Mascara, Cils Booster Mascara, and you're going to get the best effect of this. And when you use this, you use a lot less mascara on your eyes. Trust me when I tell you that. Meantime, I ordered the Tarte Smoothing Primer. This is called a Timeless Primer. And this is what it looks like, and it's clear. And it has a base. I haven't tried it yet. It looks really nice and it's very velvety. And it feels nice and smooth. So I just don't know if it's going to dry my skin or not. I have to try because I do have combination skin. Because sometimes in the winter it does get a little bit dry. So I don't know what is it going to do to my skin yet. I also got the Kat Von D Double Brush. I've always wanted to get this, and I've been contemplating, and then I finally jumped in and got it. I have the double-sided one for the eyes. I just love it. It's tapered and angled, and it has a cute little casing, and it's nice. It has that nice little slant here, so you can actually really contour on the cheeks, on the side of your cheeks. And I actually need to really contour because my face is really round. So if you guys want me to show you how I contour in one of my videos, leave a comment down below and I will definitely show you how to achieve that, because my face is really round and I really have to define and contour my cheeks. Oh, I did get some perks. This is one of the Sephora liquid lipsticks. I do love these lipsticks. This one is in the color Deep Plum. This is a perfect color now for fall. This is the color here, and I can't wait to try this. I've never tried this, so I'll probably do a look with this and the eyeshadow palette that I have in here. So I saw that Viseart had a small little palette and it has some beautiful shades. I've never tried any of the Viseart eyeshadows, so I don't know what the quality is, what the texture is. And I said, let me just try this little quad palette. I know it's like double quad. There's a total of 8 shadows on this palette and it has a lot of plums. So I can't wait to sit down and play with this and do like a nice fall type of look with this palette. So this is cute and it's really nice. So I did purchase this. So this will be like my first time trying Viseart. I also got my Sephora eyeliner. I purchased 2 of them because this is really matte. It's like the black is black. It's so comparable to the NYC. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more costly, but this comes out so matte, so black, and I love the way my wing eyeliner comes out with this. Oh, there is one more here. The Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I think this is in the color black. And I think yeah, because it has a nice little felt tip and it's really nice and sharp. It's perfect, like I have hooded eyes, so I just need something that's quick and easy and out the door. So this and my Sephora eyeliner. So that is it with my purchase with Sephora. I'm ready to jumpstart into the next box. So let's do box number 2, which is going to be my Lancome Gratis. Gratis I receive 2 times a year, and this is going to be my last Gratis from Lancome because I'm not employed with them anymore. So I was able to get a couple of items, and I probably will take advantage when the girls tell me that there is a sale. I will definitely be going over there. So let me just share with you some of the items that I did receive. Alright, so the first item that's in this box is a blush, the Peach Lingerie. This is a pretty peachy color. It's a little bit more peachier. I'm wearing peaches from MAC, but this one is really pretty. I just love how it looks and it goes very well with my complexion. And I also got the Untitled 24-Hour Foundation in the color 380 Bis Warm. This is my all-time favorite foundation. This doesn't feel cakey on the face at all, and it just gives a nice, vibrant feel to your face, and it just looks natural. A lot of people think it's my complexion, but this is a really long wearing foundation, and it's really nice, and it complements the skin. So I do recommend this. So the next item that I have, it is the Fix It Forget It spray from Lancome. It must have dropped out, I would say, in July. And I love this setting spray. I really love this setting spray. It has anti-pollution. Let me see. It's a long wear up to 24 hours. Makeup stays true to color and complexion. Fresh. Non-sticky, won't emphasize or settle on your fine lines, and deflects and protects the skin. Infused with plant extracts, kiwi, moringa seed, and witch hazel. For some reason I can't get it out of the box. Do it from the bottom. This is what the bottle looks like, and it really has a nice mist to it. Like the mist, it's really like a nice mist to it, and it feels really good, and like how it really goes on the skin. I haven't tried this yet. This is the Rose Sugar Scrub, and it's a gentle exfoliating scrub with sugar grains and rose water. This is what it looks like, and it has the little beads in it, and it does smell like rose. So this is the gel. I don't know if you can really see that. And then you just rub it into the skin, and it will exfoliate. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it just felt my skin really nice. Okay, so that is going to be the Rose Scrub. I also got a lip liner in the color Freshelle. I am addicted to all of their lip liners. They're so creamy, so soft. I just don't know how to explain it. Like, look at this. Look how creamy that is. And on the other side also has a little brush that you can blend them in. But these are like my favorite. Like, I want to purchase all the colors. I really want to own all colors. I might have already like 8 of them. If you want me to swatch the colors, let me know. Leave a comment down below and I will swatch all my lip liners from them. But I love them. I always used to buy the MAC lip liners, but these are so creamy and they actually stay on your lips for a really long time. So if you really are looking out for a new lip liner, I recommend to check those one out. They're a little bit pricey. They're like $26, but so worth it. And they're very creamy. The Sorcel de Finis eyebrow pencil. They actually added a lot more colors now. I think there's about 14 shades. So they're a little bit small. They're perfect. And you can actually just define your brow and do like little strokes. So I would use this maybe like to just create my arch, and then to fill it in, I will go in with this product here. This one's also new. This is a powder and it dries cream. You can go in with this. Never turn this upside down, because if you turn this upside down, the whole powder will just completely spill. So you can just go in and fill in the brows. So instead of like the days that you want to go a little bit more natural, you can go in with this product. And of course I had to get my Grandiose. You see my mascara from the Grandiose mascara from Lancome. I have another one in my drawer, so I just want to show you the angle of it. Every time you spin the product, like every time you spin it, the product is actually being distributed and mixed inside the tube, so you don't ever have to like pump it or anything, because I wouldn't recommend doing that. And all you have to do is take it out, and the wand is already slanted, so you could just go this way or down. This is going to give you the most extreme lashes. If you want volume, lifting, and fanned out lashes, I would recommend this one. And it's cute because the wand is already like shaped like a swan. It's kind of cool. And you can go up and then just flip it over and go downward and go this way and that way. And the second one that I would recommend is Monsieur Big. Monsieur Big now is available in waterproof. Before, I did a video before. I'll link it up here. Me and Jamania did a video together explaining about Monsieur Big, and it gives you like 12 times more volume. It really gives you voluminous lashes. So if you're looking for something very volumizing, I would recommend the Monsieur, which is only $25. The Grandiose is actually $32. Of course, I had to get my Bifacil eye makeup remover. This is the best makeup remover. It will take out any type of matte, liquid mascara or the gel mascara. You know how sometimes you always get it at the bottom line? If you clean your eyes with this first and then shower and come out, you shouldn't have no makeup on your face. It actually removes everything. And lastly is another setting powder, And I think Lancome has finally mastered the translucent powder. We never had a translucent powder before. The only powder we ever had was the Absolute Pearl powder, and that one was really pretty. But this one is actually very nice to set right underneath your eyes, and it doesn't emphasize any texture. It doesn't create dryness. It's really pretty, and it's I don't know, it just blurs out my eyes. I do have it on. I do have another video, the complexion video. I'm using it. I had a little sample that I had taken from the counter, and now I have my full size, and you get about how much? 0.52 ounces. And yeah, so this is the powder. It comes in 2 shades. So it's all my new products that I have. Can't wait to play with them. I also have the Jaclyn Hill brushes that I'm gonna be doing a review after this one, so be on the lookout for that one. I have a couple other more videos. I'm gonna be pumping them out because, like I said, I'm home. I'm gonna be doing physical therapy in the morning, and then I'll be back to be doing videos for you guys. So if there is anything you want me to review, anything, if you want me to do a Q&A, just leave some questions down below. I'm really an open book, and whatever it is that you guys ask me, I'm gonna share with you guys, and that is it. XOXO from Ellie's Beauty Box. Take care. I love you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Share with friends and family. Follow me on my other social media outlets. And I am signing out. XOXO, Ellie Beauty Box. Bye. Bye.